A long time ago, way back in late 2017, neo-Nazi alt-right genocide advocate / internet rapist Andy Warski had a whimsical Asian co-host instead of a domineering French one.
So nice to meet you, Dira. In my country, I am a very famous concert pianist. From a very early age, my parents make me practice and practice. My parents have pushed me so hard, I could be very successful. Now that I am much older, I have a chance to travel and socialize. Now I am finally away from my parents. I intend to get as much pussy as I possibly can.
I'll be catching up with that whimsical Asian Warski a bit later on my second channel, link in the description. See you there.